Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some easy chamoy popsicle molds, tahini, mango juice, pineapple juice, and chamoy. First you're going to sprinkle tahini. Okay, to all three of them. Okay. Next you're going to get some chamoy. Then you're gonna get chamoy and sprinkle it. Okay. You're gonna do it to all of them.
Make sure you get the like out parts of the wherever it's empty. Go ahead and add some.
Okay. Now that we got this done, we are going to get juice. How we got?
Just pour it. No, not all of it, just to the top. A little bit more.
Okay. And you're gonna put it in the freezer till it's frozen. High five.
Now it's time for your taste
test.
Is it good? Is it
it.
melting like really fast?
Yeah.
Oh.
But it burns my
Can I have one?
Because I think I have a cut on my lip.
Oh, that's delicious. Mmm.
So good.
It is. Oh, I need a napkin too. Why didn't you get me one?
I'm sorry. Yeah, because I want to get a lot of the flavor.
It melts really fast.
Yeah, and it smells so good.
Guys, that is it of how to make it easy chamoy and tahini popsicles. Thank you for watching and subscribe if you're new. Bye.
Okay. Oh, somebody called.
Finally, when we try to do it, I know.
Okay, hi. Hi, Percy.
Don't close that.
Who are you guys hiding from?
Fine, it's just me.
They're hiding from you.
I love you, my baby.
Go, go, go. It's okay. He's scared.
Oh, Percy. Oh, he's shaking.
No. Holding on for dear life. Percy, come here. This is Percy.
What is going on here?
A party.
Party in the house. Quarantine style.
Quarantine, so we're all cousins.
Social distance.
We're all cousins. We don't need any social distance.
Social distance.
Back off.
A cousin photo.
Okay.
Okay.
You guys, thumbnail. You know what a thumbnail is? Everyone get in it.
It's a picture in the front.
Thumbnail, thumbnail. Everyone keep still and do a pose.
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
I'm gonna be very edgy.
1, 2, 3, thumbnail.
Oh shit.
Percy!
Percy didn't fart.
Hey, what the heck? Aubrey, you literally went like this inside the picture. Oh shoot, she's doing
The wrong.
Whoa, what are you guys doing in the extra room? Making a mess. You guys are gonna drive Grandpa crazy.